Rational exponents. I am Anil Kumar and I will teach you the technique of finding square root of a number. We have 4 examples here. They are simple, but they will help us to understand the strategy. The first one is square root of 1. So when we say 1 and something to the power, which is 1 over 2, that could be read as square root of 1 or 1 to the power of half. So in this case, 1 multiplied by 1 or by itself is always 1. So any power of 1 is going to be 1, right? Including 0. So square root of 1 is always 1. For that matter, any root of 1 is just 1. Now let's look into part B, which is 9 to the power of 1 over 2, or square root of 9. Now we need to find the square root of 9. So let us say that square root of 9 is equal to x. In that case, we can write it as 9 equals to x square. Do you see that? So basically we are trying to find a number whose square is 9. Now it is the number 3. We know 3 square is 9, and therefore square root of 9 can be written as 3. So that's a method of finding square root, right? Now let's do this one, which is square root of 25. So basically you're looking for a number which multiplied by itself should give us 25, or square of that number should be 25, and that number is 5. So we get square root of 25 as 5, since 5 times 5 is 25, right? Now, what is square root of 36? So you can find squares of the numbers. We know 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So that's the easy way of finding square root. Now I'll recommend that you should write square of the numbers, right? To help you answer such questions, let's write down squares of each number. For example, 1 square is 1. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. 3 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. And 10 square, 100, right? So once we kind of have an idea of these squares, it is very easy to find the square root. It's just the reverse process, right? If 9 square is 81, then square root of 81 should be 9, and that is the strategy to find square root. I hope that's clear. Thank you.